again. How are you today? You're good? Good to hear. Okay, so today we're gonna learn something more. Or for those who already know, we're gonna review something. Okay? Good. Ready? Let's go. Alright, I have got something here. Tell me, what's this? Is it a donkey? Nah. What is this? Horse. Sure, very good. You are smart. This is a horse. What is this? Is this an insect? No, it's not an insect, of course. Is it big or small? Of course it's big. It's an animal. You are right. Okay, and what color is our horse? Yeah, here it's brown. Very good. And horse has a body parts, just like we do. Alright, so today we will go through the body parts of the horse. Show me your heads, please. Touch your head. Touch your head. Very good. So, horse has also a head. 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 So, place it here. Okay. Then, now, touch your neck, please. Touch your neck. Touch your neck. All right. Good. So, horse also has a neck. Okay, we place it here. Okay, now we have a body. Show your body. Show your body. Yes, good. And horse also has got a body. Okay, so place it here. And what is this part called? Here. Yes, you are right. This is a tail. Do we have a tail? No, animals have a tail, right? Is the horse's tail long or short? Right, it's a long tail. Very good. Okay, now we have the names of the body parts. Okay, let's see how the body parts are written. So this is a horse. We put it here. Horse. And now, head. Where is the head? Here is the head. 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 So we place it here, right? Okay. And now, neck. 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 Okay. Next is body. 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 This is how the word body is written. Okay. The last one is tail. 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 This is how we write tail. Tail. Okay, very good. So today we have reviewed only some parts of the horse, okay? And at home, I have a worksheet for you to revise all this by yourself with your mom and dad, okay? So I've got a body parts here for you of the horse. Here. Here is it. So we need scissors to cut. So to cut the body parts. Okay. So you cut it all by yourself, okay? All the body parts you cut. And then you need a pencil to copy the names of the body parts. Just like in here. For example, this is a head, right? So let's copy the word head in here, all right? You see? Head. Head. What is this? Yes, you are right. Tail. Tail. Let's copy the word tail. There we go. Tail. Exactly the same, right? And now this is body. Body. Let's copy the word body. 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 And now the last one from here. What is this? This part? You are right. Neck. Neck. So let's copy the word neck. Neck, neck, neck. So here we go. Then you can cut all the body parts and put it together and make a nice horse at home. And you can bring it back when you come back to school and share with your friends and us. Okay? Bye-bye. Thank you.